Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to draw Zenitsu because one of my subscribers badly wanted me to draw him. So that's why I'm gonna draw Zenitsu today. So first of all, let's start drawing from the hairs. I'm starting from the hair because they are covering the forehead and the eyebrows. So if we draw them first, we will be able to draw the eyebrows and every other thing easily. And here's my one request for you guys, and that is watch the video till the end. You don't need to subscribe, but you need to like the video too. And if you watch the video till the end, it will help me to grow on YouTube faster. So I hope you will help me. Like the video, and if you want to subscribe too. And in the end of the video, I have to show you guys a special thing. So wait for it. I hope you guys will like it. And this time I did a slow tutorial because here was a mess. Like I really messed up with this sketch. I couldn't find an easy way, and in the last I was messing up a lot. But the output was still good. It was not bad. So that's why I come up with a slow tutorial today so that you guys can understand it better. I know his hairs are kind of difficult to draw, but it will be okay. I hope it's still looking easy to you. And the fact that I already drew the sketch on the paper is to avoid removing, because I always use dark pencils and dark pencils aren't removable. And also I want to tell you guys something, that I watched the season 1 of Jujutsu Kaisen and it was fun. I really enjoyed it, and now currently I'm watching the season 2 and it's breaking my heart on every single scene. I was so depressed, but now I'm feeling better, and the next episode is gonna be so crucial. I don't know what's gonna happen now. For the now, I drew the hair on the forehead only. I will draw the rest of them after. And let's draw the eyebrows now. And just under the eyebrow, I am drawing the eyelid. And now it's time to draw the eyes. So this time I'm starting with the upper eye line, then I will draw the lens and then the waterline in the end. So the one eye is ready, and to draw the other eye, I have drawn these two lines to keep both of the eyes equal. So guys, really don't forget to like the video and watch it till the end. And also, if you like the video, if you love it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel too. If you love the video, you love the sketch, that's all I need. And now I'm drawing the nose bridge just on the line that I drew for the eyes earlier. And now I'm drawing the two tiny nostrils just below it. And now it's time to draw the mouth. Just draw a semicircle. And now it's time to draw the jawline, so I'm starting by marking the chin and then mark it beside both the eyes, and in the last just connect 3 of these points together. Slowly like this. The jawline is complete, and let's draw the neck. And now just proceed according to the reference photo. And when I first saw the Zenitsu, I thought its appearance is kinda like a fashion model, like same colored hair, lens, and the dress. And he is actually cute. And now finally it's time to complete the hairs. drawing the ears now. They're just locating beside the eyes. And now the remaining hair just below the ears. So our basic sketch is about to done, and now it's finally time to do the shading. So for the shading, I'm using this Tubo graphite, and let's see what I'm going to do with it. So basically, I'm gonna spread it all over the hairs like this, and then blend it with a cotton or blending stump. Obviously, I'm gonna use the one which will give the better output. So let's first try to use cotton. And don't worry about the mess it's creating, I will deal with it later. But I think cotton is not working well, so I'm using the blending stem now to have a darker output, and now it's better. And now let's use the cotton again to blend the rest, because now I need a lighter output. And now I'm using a 6B pencil to sharpen the edges. And after, let's use a 2B pencil. Now I think it's time to use the sketching razor pen, but with it I'm just gonna remove the graphite in the eyes, and I'm letting the face be darker. And now I'm again using the 2B to darken some things. Again using the sketching razor pen. And now finally it's time to use my white paint marker, and let's create a white shining dot in the eyes. His eyes are really sparkling light. And in the last, do your signature, and let's go to see the final look. So here's the final look, and now it's time to show you guys the special thing that I promised to show you in the start of the video. So here it is. It's the fan art of Nezuko actually. I did it I guess 2 or 1 year ago, and in the past years I was more into doing fan arts than doing the actual anime. But right now I'm doing the actual anime because I think the anime fans love the actual anime. And here's the toga sketch that I was drawing before the Nezuko, and my sister ruined it. So now it's time to say goodbye. Bye! Watch these 2 videos if you want to draw Nezuko or Tanjiro.